Welcome back to John Kleis Car's YouTube channel. I think this is my first video of 2026. And behind me, what do you know, it's the most popular vehicle we work on here, the VW transport platform. This is a T5.1. For you viewers at home, I'm going to actually show you how to put the VW splash logo on a new screen, like this Kenwood startup screen here. I apologise for the fingerprints, but I have been playing with it already. I'm not going to show you how to make them because that would require some kind of degree in ICT, or Information and Communication Technologies, or just IT. However, I'm going to show you the little hidden way of putting it in once you've got the files done. So at the moment it comes up Kenwood when we first turn it on. That's okay, but we don't want that. We want the VW logo, so it's more in keeping with the actual unit. So what I'm going to want to do, I'm going to want to put the USB in said USB-A. Oh, we have a problem. I need an adapter. Is there one in here? No, there's not. I'm going to just put you down right here, Paige. If you're watching this, right there. Woo! Woo! I'm back. Right, now I've got the USB-C to A adapter. It comes with one in the box actually with Kenwood, but I've decided not to have that organised. So I'm going to plug the USB in just like so. That is the USB plugged in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the home button. I'm going to go to standby. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little hidden voodoo magic. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Comes up with this lovely little menu. I hit open and customize. Hit back, hit back. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Bosh. VW logo. How do you like them apples? So let's get to the basics. We have the Kenwood DMX8021 now with a lovely splash screen. This has got not 1, not 2, but 3-year warranty for ultra peace of mind. Now I'm going to get my phone connected. This has got wireless Apple CarPlay. So if I touch the unit, I'm going to make it visible. I'm going to quickly show you live how you would connect your phone. So you go to Bluetooth on your phone. You scroll down to the bottom, it's going to find it, which is an 8021. You select it, hit pair, hit allow, hit yes on the screen to say you accept it, and then your phone's going to come up with, do you want to do CarPlay? Hit connect to CarPlay, hit yes on the screen, and once you've done all that, it will go for a handshake, switch from Bluetooth over to Wi-Fi, and then that is all you've got to do. Leave Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and it will automatically connect every time you get in, just like so. Great unit, very reliable to use. Or very easy to use and a very reliable unit. We use a flush fit fascia just so it actually fits really nice. You don't even see the bezel around the Kenwood like you see on some installations. This actually bolts in behind and this goes on last, meaning you get a nice flush finish. Does look really good in these. If you had a multi-function steering wheel, that would still work. If you had the optical parking sensors, I don't think this van does, but if I put it in reverse, oh, he does. So we've also added a reverse camera onto it as well, and you can see the optical parking sensors still work as an overlay like that. And if you were to put it in drive and you had the front sensor option where you've got a button down here, they would also appear around the front. This van doesn't have front sensors, so not on this one, but it would support it as well, which is really nice. It does wireless Android Auto. We've got DAB. DAB is extremely easy to use. This is your DAB layout. You've got your favourites down the right, which you can expand to see what you've got. You can save up to 15 DAB stations. The way of doing it is you push the magnifying glass here and you've got all the DAB stations in alphabetical order. So when you've chosen the one you want, for example like history, you just touch it like so, and then you would just push and hold the number. Oh, Genuine Pony, what a track. Classic. Now I'm showing my age now. Now DAB on a T6 is standard, but on a T5.1 they don't have DAB aerials. So what we do is we fit this little windscreen DAB aerial just there. Very subtle, and that picks up DAB stations. And for all things Siri and phone calls, we also install a microphone just there for microphone call quality. Absolutely cracking unit. We've changed the illumination to red on the bottom to match the lights on the actual panels, but you can actually change that row of buttons to whatever you want. You can even put your own background on it. But that is a Kenwood DMX8021. My name is Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. We'll see you soon.